Arrivals! Hello! We're here in Don Muang International Airport. Medyo madaming tao actually. Mahaba yung pila sa immigration pero mabilis. And now we're going to get our check-in baggage. So next is we will gonna withdraw some cash in their ATM. That's it. Bye! We're done getting our luggage and withdrawing some money. So now, we're gonna book a Bolt. It's like a Grab.
And now this is the time to transport.
Sorry. Ito tayo ng hotel at magpo-food trip na tayo. I'm so excited.
In Thailand.
First order of business, 7-Eleven. Sabi namin sa bahay, sa hotel na kakainin, hindi na nakarating. Gutom na. Apa ito? Chinatown pa kami. Food trip lang talaga gagawin naman dito.
Order niya.
Ang hama. Ang sinasawasawan. Good morning. We're now ready to shop and spend money. So this is our day 2 in Bangkok. So kagabi, wala nang outro. Nag-food trip ka agad. Nag 7-Eleven haul and nag Chinatown kami. And then walang tapon yung mga pagkain. It was really a good, very good food. Skewers and such. Nag-mango sticky rice din pala kami. And then I got a massage. Then, I have called it a night. And then today, our agenda is to go to Chatuchak and where, Mommy? What else?
Around Siam Paragon, Siam Square, tapos, Central World and Proton Hub.
Okay, yun dami namin pupuntahan. So, punta daw kami ng Siam Paragon, Siam Square, Central, Big C.
Pupunta rin tayo ng Siam talaga.
And yes, tonight we'll party in Khao San.
Yeah.
Hi!
Good morning!
I love it. I love the energy. So, yun lang naman.
You always have to be happy
Yes.
in Bangkok.
No,
we're not happy because
ang itim kami, grabe. Kala mo anong mga golden noo. So, yun lang naman today. We'll just grab our breakfast kasi walang free breakfast yung hotel. That's it.
That's it.
Bye. See you later.
Tatamam yung
This is banana caramel mushroom milk. This is shredded cream cheese. Masarap din siya. This. Tapos milk. This one is milk.
Tapos bili tayo ng fast food.
Yay! Let's go. And
Vitamin C. And some toasties kasi walang spinach.
Si Sel kumain na. Marami siyang hinorde. This is our second day.
Day
7-Eleven.
Day 2.
Day 2.
If magta-Thailand kayo or magba-Bangkok, check kung may spinach. It's the best
Spinach,
one.
yes. Yesterday nakakuha kami. I think last 2 na lang. Bye!
Pumpkin pao.
It's nice.
Sarap, diba? So imagine that on a coffee, na black coffee. That's my eyes.
Oh, I like it. Okay, let's go. I don't know what's this called, but this one. Sa aga magbe-breakfast kami here namin binili sa labas ng 7-Eleven.
Trip ulit.
Food trip ulit, pero dapat magbe-breakfast talaga kami. Hindi pa kami nakakarating ng breakfast spot. Alam ko ako makakain pero ng kanin.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Mas perfect sana kung mainit eh.
Sarap. Baka pwede naman painit. Masarap. Walang tap na masarap. Ang sarap yung sauce.
Mahal rin ba ako?
Masarap din to. May siyang patty.
Sarap.
Wala pa kami sa breakfast spot. Busog na kami.
Yung wala tayong totoong kain, pero nagpunta rin sa Thailand para
Bakit parang ba't parang huminto? Wala na. Wala na.
Kahit ako yung mukha niya. Bingot yun.
Grabe. Okay. Sandwich naman. Thank you.
Ay, nakasarap. Doon tayo.
Doon. Pupunta pa lang tayo doon. Siyempre, di tayo titigil.
Habang
Oo pa.
ano kayo wala naman?
Gusto ko
Grabe yung bicep cuts niya, ma. Hindi ba nakita?
Nakita ko. Tsaka nakita ko yung itsura mo. Nakita ng biceps. Wala na. Nanghina.
Nanghina. Biglang nabusog.
Nanghina.
Hindi ko pa nakikita mukha na.
No. What more?
Brother na may biceps lang. Pinanting nun.
Are you a student?
No.
32.
Yes.
I heard about the 24, the 25.
This is our breakfast spot. Pero medyo busog na kami. Pero marami pa rin silang kakainin.
Solo-solo pa rin.
Ganon kami gustong mag-food trip. Let's use our Gcash card. Yes, yay! We use our Gcash card para sa ating MTR. There you go! Dito kami sa Chatted Shock. And ang init! Yes, it's shopping day!
na lang tayo.
Ay, ang convenient, no? Ito na, Chatted Shock na. This is it. Ito yung train station. This is a 200 baht clothing store. Yan, iba-iba sila. Jacket. Oh!
So ayun guys, bili na kami ng souvenir. Nag-hoard kami ng inhaler kasi Thailand is pretty infamous about those inhalers.
First damage done! How about you, Rani?
Ayoko na.
Can I see your damage? Okay.
This is 1.8, oh no, 1.9 baht.
1.9 baht. Not yet in peso. Okay. So, let's
Pero puro
check out
inhaler
for
man lang
more.
siya.
Here at we're going to Siam. Hi! So we're here at the Bangkok Street Market sa tapat ng Central World. And we bought fruits. So there are a lot of food options and
Bestseller daw nila yung Thai tea mango.
we will be buying milk teas. So many fruits. That's it. Gcash. Sell. Nag-uwi na. Kanina pa. However, nag-ikot pa kami sa House of Little Bonnie, sa Gentlewoman. Then, we are using this other. Yan. So, dito kami sa platform 1. This one. Yan, we're here in platform 1. Kaya mo, nasan kami? It's been a long day. Hello! It's been a while. Tapos na kami mag-dinner. Nag-combinera na naman kami. Because we will be partying again tonight sa Carlson Road. And we're ready for Rain and Sales last day tomorrow. So, ayun lang. Marami kaming shinop today na pasalubong at pasabay. And nabutan kami ng ulan ni Rani. At nagtuktok kami today. This is the wrap-up of today's video. We're gonna catch up tomorrow. Bye. Good morning! It's day 6, I think. And now, I'm walking dito sa neighborhood namin because I'll be going to Chatuchak Market. Sina Rain will be flying tonight and kailangan na nilang mag-rest up and they wanted to use the pool pala today. Ako naman, I'll be going to Chatuchak kasi I have some errands pa dun sa market and magkakamit tayo. That's what are we gonna do. Kakamit tayo today and yung neighborhood namin is just few meters away from Grand Temple. Yan. Yesterday, nagkaroon sila ng free entrance from 2 to 6 p.m. However, we're not able to get through with that because hindi na kami nakaabot ng time. Hello! So now, tapos na tayo sa Chatachak. Di na ako nakapag-video doon kasi medyo chaotic. Now, nandito tayo sa likod natin sa Central World and we're going to Pratunap, which is just 1 kilometers away. Yun na yung Platinum Mall. Then, this is a park wherein nadadaanan mo if you're going through Skywalk. So, this is also the market. You can see, dyan yung sa House of the Bourbon located. So, they have a pop-up store there. So, now, we're just walking. Just so happened na yung weather is not that super sunny. So, masakit siya sa balat in a way, pero hindi siya tirik. But, yun lang naman, makulimlim. But hopefully, hindi naman umulan masyado ng malakas or feeling ko uulan. But sana tumigil din siya in a while. Yun lang naman ang ganap natin today. Then we're gonna go back to the hotel because we're gonna have dinner with Rain and Sel because they will be leaving tonight. Dito tayo ngayon sa Platinum Mall. 6th floor. Ang daming food choices. Have this for lunch and we're here at Platinum Mall. So, ang in-order ko ay green chicken curry with omelette and rice. Then, 1 pork and 1 chicken na barbecue. So, kain na tayo today! Let's go! I'm excited. Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Parang may ano pa ako, jet lag.
May jet lag sa 1 hour difference. Totoo naman kasi, you need a holiday from your holidays.
Oo, totoo yun. So happy.
Picture na tayo. Pictures na lahat na. Keep it to the close for me. Again, mag-score.
Here. Thank you. Ang ganang pa.
Okay po. Sorry, sir. 3, 2, 1. Smile lang. 3, 2, 1. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, sobrang maganda.
Thank you.
Okay, and by the way, so here is mani, in Philippine mani. Kung isa your patay and mixed together is sobrang sarap. Sobrang sa naputang ina mo. Charot lang. Oh! Pasensya po. The customer. They say that when you miss something or eat something or miss something is very amazing. Kasi wow! It's sobrang maganda. Sarap. Happy magpangina mo.
In general, it's perfect.
Charot lang. Pasensya. Okay. Enjoy po. Pray before eat. Pray.
Usap-usap. Nilalamdam yung kayo sila. Sarap? Sarap lang sa sawa. Priya bro.
Hi! We're back from Tipsamay.
Yes.
And this vlog ay iti-take over ng ating Frenny.
So, yun na nga. So, the pad thai there in Tipsamay is so good and well recommended. And unfortunately, we are nearly at the end of our trip. So, Rani and I, we have to go back to the Philippines. But Riri will stay here for a couple or 3 days more, right, Riri? So, don't miss us, huh? Iyak na yan. Iyak na yan. It's always been like this, Riri. Pag magkakasama naman tayo,
lagi.
we have to go early, right? So,
At lagi akong nahuhuli.
Never na tayo nagkasabay-sabay na.
exactly. Papunta sabay-sabay.
Bakit parang paiyak ka? Bakit siya yung iiyak?
Okay, Rani.
Hoy, 10 days, ay 7 days din kami
Tapos,
magkakasama.
Kailan ulit tayo magkikita-kita?
Next year na ulit.
Ano yung
Pag may nag-book na naman.
But today, thank you guys for, joining
Joining
us, joining our journey. We've been to Vietnam, Cambodia, and finally here in Thailand.
So what's your favorite country?
To be honest, it's actually Cambodia. Hindi ko in-expect na Cambodia will have an
Yes.
impact on me, but overall, Cambodia is a must-go. Starting from the temple, from the people, and then yung accommodation natin overall. The food there as well. Ayun.
So best hotel?
Best hotel, Cambodia. And yun lang, guys. Balik ko na kay Riri.
Thank you so much for joining, and for sure, may mga kasunod pa to.
Yeah.
So see us again next time. Bye!